Hi students, welcome back to video classes. So in the previous video we did exercise 2.1. Now in this video we learn how to multiply fractions, that is multiplication of fractions. As we know that when you multiply two whole numbers, we will get a whole number only. So that means multiplication of whole numbers is multiplication of whole numbers. Let me explain this one first. Whole numbers. When you multiply two whole numbers, we will get the whole number. That means the product of two whole numbers is whole number only. So by using this, we can do one problem. For example, consider, so this is a rectangle. Say this is a rectangle. Its length is 7 centimeters and breadth is 2 centimeters. So here the length of a rectangle is equal to 7 centimeters and the breadth B is equal to 2 centimeters. To find the area of this rectangle, what we will do? Area means, as you know that, what is the formula for area? Area is equal to how much means? A means, what is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, which is equal to 7 centimeters into 2 centimeters, which is equal to 7 2s are 14 centimeters square or 14 square centimeters. So this is the area of a rectangle. That means when two whole numbers are multiplied, we will get the whole number. So based on that, we will do another example. Suppose if L is equal to, say this is the one thing, if L is equal to, tell me one fraction, say 1 by 2 centimeters. If length is same, consider the one more rectangle. So this is the rectangle. If L is equal to 1 by 2 centimeters and breadth is equal to, tell me one more mixed fraction, 1 by 2 centimeters. So this is breadth 1 by 2 centimeters. Suppose to find the area, what is the formula we used? L into B. Same, L into B. Therefore, what is L here? 1 by 2 centimeters into breadth means 1 by 2 centimeters. So as we know that if there is a mixed fraction, convert into the improper fraction. 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 centimeters into 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 centimeters. What are these two numbers? Fractional numbers. Fractional numbers. Here 11 by 2 and 5 by 2 are fractions. These two are fractions. These two are fractions. Here, to calculate the area of a rectangle by using these measurements, we need to know how to multiply the fractions, isn't it? To calculate the area of this rectangle, we need to know how to multiply the fractions. Before that, before going to multiply these two fractions, we learn how to multiply a fractional number by whole number. Fractional number by whole number. Now, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. How to multiply a fraction by whole number or whole number by a fraction? Let me explain in detail. For example, multiply, suppose multiply, say 3 into 1 by 4 is there. 3 into 1 by 4. So, of course, we can multiply whole number and fraction by using two methods. Let us find this one by using repeated addition. So, what is the solution? What is the solution? 3 into 1 by 4, which is equal to, so what does it mean? 3 into 1 by 4 means 3 times 1 by 4, 3 times 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 times of 1 by 4. As we know that multiplication means it is a repeated addition. 3 times 1 by 4 means if you add 1 by 4 3 times, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, how much you will get? So, these are all like fractions. We know that sum of the like fractions is equal to sum of the numerators by common denominator. So, like fractions 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Here what are the numerators? 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, which is equal to, that means 1 plus 1 by common denominator 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So, this is 3 times. What does it mean? 3 times. This is the meaning. 3 times of 1 by 4. That's why we wrote like this. Therefore, 3 into 1 by 4 is equal to how much? 3 by 4. So, in this way, we can multiply. So, here we can do the same multiplication. 3 into 1 by 4. We can do the same multiplication, that is 3 into 1 by 4 by using diagram also. So, multiply, this is, say, by using, sometimes he may give like this also, multiply 3 and 1 by 4 by using diagram. By using diagram. Means 3 into 1 by 4, which is equal to, so let me write the meaning, 3 times 1 by 4. 3 times 1 by 4 means 1 by 4, isn't it? Write 3 times 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So, can you write the diagram for this fraction? Can you draw the diagram? Not write. Can you draw the diagram for this fraction 1 by 4? Yes, we can draw. What is the meaning of 1 by 4? What is the meaning of 1 by 4? Here the whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 parts, has shaded or taken one part. Let the diagram be, say, one circle. This is the one circle. This is the whole. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts. This one and this one. Out of these 4 parts, how many parts are taken? How many parts are taken? One part. Therefore, you shade one part. That's it. So, this is the diagram for 1 by 4. Next, we take the second fraction. This is also 1 by 4. Draw a circle and divide into 4 equal parts. Out of this 4, take one part. This shaded part represents 1 by 4. Now, take the third one. This is also, draw one more circle and divide into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 parts, here also take one part. Here the shaded portions in these are taken together, and it is same as, suppose if you take these three shaded parts together, the shaded portions in this are taken together, which is same as, so how many parts are shaded? 3 parts are shaded. Draw one circle and divide into 4 equal parts. How many parts are taken together? 3. 1, 2, 3. So shade 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So here the shaded portion is this one. Now that means this is 1 by 4. The fraction for shaded part is 1 by 4 plus, here also 1 by 4 plus, and here also 1 by 4, which is equal to, here how many parts are shaded? 3. Therefore 3 by 4. Now tell me, what part of a circle does the shaded part represents here? What part of the circle does the shaded part represents? So this is, it represents 1, 2, 3. It represents 3/4 of a circle. So this is the 3/4 of a circle. So therefore 3 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So by using diagram also we can find that, we get the same answer, 3 by 4. So let us do one more example. Let me explain. So example, say this is example 2. Let us find say 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. It means solution means same 2 times of 1 by 4. 2 times 1 by 4. Just write 1 by 4, 2 times 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So let me explain by using diagram. So 1 by 4 means, so here the whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4, how many parts are taken? 1 part. Therefore, the diagram for this 1 by 4, the diagram for this fraction 1 by 4 is, so let me draw whole. So this is the whole. Let me divide this whole into 4 equal parts. So here for this fraction also draw one more whole. Again you divide this one into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 parts, what is the numerator? 1. That means 1 part is taken. Shade 1 part. So here also shade 1 part. Here the denominator represents the number of parts and the numerator represents number of parts are to be taken. Now you observe these 2 diagrams. Observe the diagrams. Each shaded part is 1 by 4. Each shaded part is 1 by 4 of a circle. Now the question is, how much will the 2 shaded parts represents together? This is equal to how much? This is equal to how much? The 2 shaded parts represents together means draw a whole circle. So this is the whole. Divide this one into 4 equal parts. Why? Because denominator is 4. So here how many parts are taken? How many parts are taken? 1. So here 1. Total parts are 2. So the question, how much will the 2 shaded parts represent together? Means they will represent as, how many parts are there? 2. Therefore the answer will shade 2 parts. They will represent as 2 by 4. This is the shaded part, 2 by 4. Therefore 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to, what is the fraction for this shaded part? 2 by 4. So 2 by 4. In this way, we can represent the fraction by using diagrams. Now, so these are the multiplication of whole number by fraction, that is proper fraction. So we did the problems by using whole number and proper fraction, 2 into 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 3, like that. Now, what about the improper fractions? What is this? This is multiplication of whole number by improper fraction. So this is same as the proper fraction. For example, consider 2 into, tell me one improper fraction, 7 by 3. 2 into 7 by 3 means, so when you multiply whole number and a improper fraction, you just multiply the whole number and the numerator of the fractional number, keeping the denominator same. That means 2 into 7 by 3, which is equal to 7 is 14 by 3. This is the improper fraction, convert into the mixed fraction. 3 4s are 12, 2 is there, remainder 4, 2 by 3. So this is same as the multiplication of whole number by proper fraction. So this is improper. Instead of proper, we used improper. That's it. So tell me one more whole number, 9 into say 8 by 5. So this is also same, 9 into numerator is 8 by 5. So 9 8s are 72 by 5, which is equal to, in 72 5 how many times? So like that, 5 1s 5, 5 2s 10. That means 5 12s are 60. 72 minus 60. Say divide here. 5 1s 5, 2, 2, 5 4s 22. So that means in 72 5 how many times? 14 times. Remainder is 2. Therefore 14 2 by 5. So here to multiply therefore to multiply a whole number with a proper fraction or improper fraction, to multiply a whole number with proper or improper, you just multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. So therefore we can write the same thing as to multiply a whole number with a proper fraction or improper fraction. To multiply a whole number with a proper fraction or improper fraction, first multiply the whole number, multiply the whole number 2 into 7 by 3, multiply the whole number 2 into, what is the 7? Numerator of the fraction. Multiply the whole number with numerator of fraction, keeping denominator same, keeping denominator same. So this is very important point. Let us see how to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number. So consider 3 into whole number is 3 and a mixed fraction say 2 5 by 4. So as we know that whenever if there is a mixed fraction, first you convert into the improper fraction, that is 3 into 2 fours 8 plus 5 13 by 4, which is equal to the product of a whole number and a fraction number. Multiply the whole number and the numerator of the fraction. 3 into 13 by keeping the denominator same. So 3 13s are 39 by 4, which is equal to, divide 39 by 4. How many times? 4 9s are 36. 39 minus 36, 3. Remainder is 3. Therefore, 9, 3 by 4. So, this is. Therefore, to multiply a mixed fraction, fraction by a whole number, first convert into improper fraction and then multiply. First, same procedure is same. First convert into improper fraction and then multiply. And then this is the procedure and then multiply. Now, so this is the first example. Let me do one more. So 2 into say 4 2 by 5. 2 into 4 2, here the numbers are changed, 2 5 by 4 4 2 by 5. So which is equal to same 2 into, convert this mixed into improper, 5 4s 20 plus 2 into 22 by 5, which is equal to product of a whole number and a improper fraction. Product of a whole number and a improper fraction. Multiply the whole number and the numerator of the fraction. 2 22s, keeping the denominator same, 5. 2 22s are 44 by 5. Now 5 8s are 44 by 5. So this is the multiplication of a whole number by a fractional number. And here one important point is there. In fractions, half represents multiplication. Very important point. In fractions, so this is very important. Fractions, OF of represents multiplication. So I will explain you on the next video. So okay students, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next video how to multiply a fraction by a fraction.